My name is Scott Golden. I'm the Senior Network Analyst for Boston Globe Media Partners. Boston Globe Media Partners is the parent company for Boston Globe newspapers, been around since 1872. Also Boston.com website and BostonGlobe.com website. We have approximately 1,500 employees here. Every single one of them has a computer. Some have multiples between smartphones and tablets. We've started using the Wi-Fi more and more. It started out as okay, nice to have it, don't need it. Now, if the Wi-Fi goes down, we're getting called immediately going, hey, I've got no Wi-Fi in this area. Everyone now has a smartphone, everyone has a tablet, everyone uses a laptop. The reporters come and go. They want to quickly edit something, do something. They don't want to sit down at a desk, plug in a monitor, plug in a keyboard. Top features of the Aerohive system. Number one, I love the no controller architecture. I love being able to log into an access point and configure it if that's how I choose to do it. ID Manager is a great concept. It's new. We just purchased it and are rolling it out. We have a lot of visitors in here, and rather than have one ID for all the visitors, everybody gets their own. It's all managed very smartly on a web browser interface by our help desk. That was a must-have feature which we have implemented, and so far we're rolling it out and it's working wonderfully. Another nice feature we have is if there's a problem with the AP and it can't reach its default gateway, it starts broadcasting out its own SSID, which we can log into from under it and be right on the console to troubleshoot it. We used to get complaints all the time about our Wi-Fi. Oh, it's slow, I get kicked off, I'm having an issue, speed is terrible. Since I've implemented it, the new Aerohives, in the areas in which it is, complaints have went down to almost nothing. For us IT people who stay online 24/7 and have to be accessed, Aerohive makes a branch router, gives me 4 Ethernet ports. I can plug my laptop directly in if I have an issue with Wi-Fi, and I'm on my company network. We are going to a voice over IP solution. My voice phone works at my house over my branch router. My phone extension rings. It rings on my desk. It rings on my computer at the house, like I was sitting at my desk. Working with Aerohive has been outstanding. The salespeople, I knew the salesman in New York, and he hooked me up with the one here in Boston. I had an issue, I called up. Within 2 minutes, I had someone on the phone, and they were able to resolve my issue. It was a licensing issue. A few times I've called the SE himself and said, hey, how do we do this? He was able to walk me through a WebEx. If anyone out there is looking to buy new Wi-Fi, I would suggest you go to Aerohive. You have state-of-the-art, next-generation Wi-Fi. You have good support. You have a controllerless architecture, more bang for the buck. I replaced everything I had for half the price I would have paid with another vendor. I would recommend Aerohive to everyone I know, school systems, businesses, enterprise. Aerohive is a great company. They're small, they're starting out, but there's nowhere to go but the sky.